Two nations, 1,500 miles apart, no shared border, yet their hidden conflict could explode the Middle East. This isn't about religion, it's about drones, oil prices, and unwritten rules of engagement. Rule 1: never claim responsibility. When Israel bombed Iran's Damascus consulate in April 2024, killing 7 IRGC commanders, their official response was no comment. When Iran retaliated with 300 drones and missiles, Tehran called it self-defense. Rule 2: fight through middlemen. Iran funds Hezbollah's rockets from Lebanon. Israel strikes arms shipments in Syria. Houthis attack Red Sea ships. Why? Because direct war could trigger $2 trillion in global oil shocks. April 2024 tested these rules. After the consulate strike, Iran responded with its first ever direct attack, 320 projectiles, but 99% were intercepted. Damage: 1 injured child. Israel's counterstrike near Isfahan: no casualties, only radar damage. Both sides showed restraint this time. Here's the tinderbox, the Strait of Hormuz. 21 million barrels of oil pass through daily. If Iran blocks it, gas prices could hit $7 a gallon globally. That's why the U.S. parks aircraft carriers nearby. For Israel, hitting Iranian nukes risks this choke point. For Iran, closing it means global backlash. Stalemate beyond the leaders' chess game. 34,000 dead in Gaza. 500,000 displaced near Lebanon's border. When rockets fly, farmers flee. When bombs fall, refugees walk. 2025 predictions: more cyber attacks on nuclear facilities. Accidental ship seizures in the Gulf, scientist assassinations, but ground troops crossing borders: unlikely. The rules still hold. Deny direct action. Use proxies first. Avoid economic suicide. As oil prices climb, expect drone swarms, not declarations of war. Stay informed, not panicked. This has been your neutral breakdown of the shadow war. Sources in description.